Uthuthuria baraginyo niwambikitwo ni kambuni ya Kenya Premier League iria nyabaraga ngucanio cia gabira rigi-ini ya daraca ya iguru ya SportPesa Premier League thutha wa kwirikana ati irabu itiganite ni ireingirania na uhakani niguo gukorwo ikihota ngucanio cia rigi ino. Ripoti ici cia uhakani na uthi iraumanire kirabu-ini gia Kakamega Homeboyz kuria kocha Paul Nkata munini wake na athaki mugwanja marakorirwo magitigithio wira kirabu-ini giki magikwirwo gukorwo mekuruhanitie na uhakani na uthi uyu.
The allegations were leveled on their head coach, the assistant coach, and a player known by George Mandela.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene kambuni ya KPL niwe Jack Oguda, kiama kiu ni kiamukirite mateta ma Kakamega Homeboyz na gikambika mitaratara ikinyanire niguo gutigirira ekwirwo ni makorwo makioerwo makinya mahiu.
Where I see it, and from the league's perspective, is that we need evidence to be able to corroborate all these things and take the matter to the judicial bodies that are in place.
Oguda ekwaragio kanitha-ini wa All Saint Cathedral mithaine ya muthia ya mwandiki wa mohoro wa mathako James Oduol kana Odukobra uria woragiirwo itharikira-ini ria itoi ria Dusidi tu guku Nairobi ciumia igiri thiru.
I think it is sad that we've lost one of our key journalists who was ready to promote grassroots football and elevate himself as a top journalist and push content for Kenyan sport.
Girivotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, Geto Shohi wa Ithefethi.